Welcome to Visa.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, what is the probability that the leap year will contain 53 Saturdays? Okay. Firstly, 1 year means there are 365 days in a year. Okay. A leap year has 366 days. A year has 52 weeks. Okay. Hence, there will be 52 Saturdays for sure. Okay. So, as there are 7 days in a week, so in 52 weeks, 52 into 7, it means 364 days. Okay. Now, 366 minus 364 means 2 days left. Now, in a year, in a leap year, there will be 52 Saturdays and 2 days, means possibilities of 2 days. Firstly, 2 days will be left. Okay. Then these 2 days will be, these 2 days can be Sunday, Monday, or Monday, Tuesday, or Tuesday, Wednesday, or Wednesday, Thursday, or Thursday, Friday, or that may be Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Sunday. Okay. Sunday. Now, on this total 7 outcomes, the favorable outcomes are, here we can observe that there are only 2 favorable outcomes, because in these 2 only Saturdays will present. Okay. Hence, the probability of getting 53 Saturdays in a leap year be 2 by 7. So, our correct option is option B, which is 2 by 7.